Welcome to this week Biotech Weekly Recap hosted by Evergrowth by Healthcare Capital. So for this presentation, we'll focus on the latest development from the week of March 10 to March 14. And for this week, we'll focus mostly on large cap biotech stocks. I'd like to introduce Dr. Harvey Tran, which is the CEO and Chairman of the Board of Directors of Evergrowth by Healthcare Capital, to give us the presentation.
I'm Dr. Harvey, CEO and co-founder of Evergrowth, and I'm here to present this week Biotech Weekly Recap for you. As you can see from this slide here, there's that QR code for you to scan to schedule a free consultation call with me to see if we are the right fit for each other, to see if we can put your money to work for you. As a disclaimer, this is not a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any stock. This coverage on the weekly Biotech Recap is the feature on latest development centering large cap biotech company as well as some selected small cap company. Keep in mind that we do not hold any of this company in our portfolio, and that this is we just our purpose here is to give you a brief overview of the larger trend affecting the biotech or the life science sector. First up is Arrowhead Pharmaceutical, ARWR. The company recently announced results for the part 2 of its phase 1/2 study of ARCO-C3, an RNAi therapeutic targeting complement component 3, or C3 for complement-mediated diseases. The study focuses on patients with IgA nephropathy. Key findings for this trial include a mean sustained C3 reduction of over 87% through week 24. Mean sustained AH50 reduction of over 76% through week 24. And so those are the key findings. But even though there's robust reduction, it's too early for you to make a definitive conclusion of whether or not this drug will work. We just have to wait until the drug advances into phase 3, and then seeing the result of that, then we'll have more insight on how this drug will develop. Next up is Bristol Myers Squibb, BMY. The company received the European Commission approval of Breyanzi to treat adults with relapsed or refractory follicular lymphoma after two or more line of systemic therapy. So this is a third-line drug, and the approval is based on phase 2 Transcend FL study results shown over 97.1% overall response rate, 94.2% complete response rate, 75.7% of patients maintain response at 18 months, and the median time to first response is 0.95 months. So in terms of overall response for cancer, 97.1 is very, very robust, very, very strong, and that's why I'm not surprised that Breyanzi gained approval from the FDA based on phase 2 trial, because the data is extremely robust. Next up is Serenity Bio. They recently entered into a definitive agreement to be acquired by Bristol Myers Squibb in an all-cash transaction value at $5 per share. So the overall deal, in terms of the whole company size, that's $286 million. Now, this acquisition is done so that Bristol Myers Squibb can gain more edge in the area of myeloma treatment. TSVT has a BAGMA, which is a B-cell maturation antigen-directed genetically modified autologous T-cell immunotherapy. That is a mouthful. But basically, this is a T-cell immunotherapy to treat multiple myeloma treatment. It has a very strong efficacy and good safety profile. And with this deal, it is expected to be closed by Q2 2025. So with this acquisition, if you're a shareholder of TSVT, you enjoy an 88% premium to the acquisition price. Congrats. Next up is Guardant Health. Guardant Health received the Advanced Diagnostic Laboratory Test, or ADLT status, from the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services, IECMS, for its Shield blood test for colorectal cancer screening. So this is very, very good for the company Guardant Health, also very good for the patient. This is a liquid biopsy or screening test where all we need is just a single drop, just a drop of the patient's blood to catch and have early detection for colorectal cancer screening. As you can imagine, it's much more convenient. than the current standard, which is to have a colonoscopy or to have a scope going up the patient rear end, which is inconvenient for most people. Next up is Viking Therapeutic. So Viking recently secured a major manufacturing agreement with Codan Pharma for its VK2735 for obesity treatment. So for a small cap biotech company like Viking, getting a manufacturing agreement or a sales marketing partner is very important. Here Viking cleared one of the hurdle, which is getting a manufacturing agreement with Codan Pharmaceutical or Pharma. It's important for this small company to contract or have manufacturing contract so that they can get the drug manufacturer out externally. That way they can leverage on Codan Pharma expertise in manufacturing to make sure that they get high quality drug manufacturing. Now, this agreement includes annual production capacity for multiple metric of VK2735 API, 100 million auto injector, and 100 million vials per syringe product annually, over 1 billion oral tablet manufacturing capacity per year. So that's robust enough, strong enough of the manufacturing potential so that Viking will have a good supply of the drug for the patient. Next up is Merck. Merck unveiled a new $1 billion, 225,000 square foot vaccine manufacturing facility in Durham, North Carolina. This expansion is part of the company's broader $12 billion U.S. capital investment initiative started since 2018, with an additional $8 billion planned by fiscal 2028. Now, this facility incorporates advanced technology like data analytic, generative AI, 3D printing, and a digital twin training center for simulating manufacturing process. It's very important for large cap pharmaceutical company like Merck to expand their manufacturing footprint facility in the USA to help foster the US economy, also creating more jobs here while improving the quality of the manufacturing drug for the company itself. Next, our upcoming event or the catalyst on March 19th to March 25th. You have the International Conference on Advanced Technology and Treatment for Diabetes, or ATTD 25. And then on March 20 to 22nd, you have ESMO for sarcoma and rare cancer. And ESMO is quite important in my opinion. Make sure you guys check that out to see which company that you're holding or participating in those events. And then next up, we have our annual meeting that will be hosted on March 29th at Safety Harbor Spa and Resort in Florida. If you're not an investor but you're interested in our fund, you want to learn more about it as well as learning about the latest trend in the biotech industry, click on the registration button. You can access that through our website or through the link in this video. And make sure you register so that we can accommodate you. Now, if you're an accredited investor, you want to learn more about our fund to see if we're the right fit for you, and if you're the right fit for us, scan the QR code there, or click on our website or my Calendly link. If you want to capture this lucrative opportunity while investing in the innovation that delivers hope to the patient, but you either don't have time or you don't have the expertise, reach out to us, contact us. We'll schedule a call to see if we are the right fit for each other.